To avoid retrying all metadata associated with groups and to focus on specific data, initiate a new HTTP request, list groups. Use the URL https://graph.microsoft.com/v1.0/groups. Use the select query parameter. For example, to retry only the ID and display name of group, specify them in query parameter with select. In the header, include content type set to application JSON. Authorization with barrier token. Want to learn how to generate a new access token? Watch the video titled How to Generate Access Token in Azure Entra ID using the Graph API. Accessible via the link provided in video description. Click the send button to execute the request. We appreciate you watching. If you found the content useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your feedback in the comment. Stay tuned for more tutorials.